So dear student, today I would like to start second lesson from section 4, that is drama 4.2, the rising of the moon. Student, as you know that in section 4 there are 4 topics, 4 chapters, and each and every chapter has separate weightage. Rising of the moon, As You Like It, and An Enemy of the People. Student, these are the 3 dramas which are given in your lesson, in your textbook. Today I would like to explain Rising of the Moon drama in detail. In this video, student, I am going to explain first information about the dramatist Lady Gregory. So student, see page number 138. On page number 138 you can see, student, information about writer, dramatist Lady Gregory. Her original name, student, as she is Irish, Isabella Augusta Parsi, and she used to write as a Lady Gregory. Even student, we have already learned that in history of English drama, that she was the front runner of Irish movement. Here, student, there are few Irish novelists like W.B. Yeats, J.M. Synge, and among them Lady Gregory. She is the front runner or originator of Irish revival or Irish movement. Student, she was born in the country of Galway, Ireland. As I told you, she is Irish, belongs to Ireland. One of the moving spirits behind the establishment of the Abbey Theatre in Dublin. Student, Abbey Theatre, this is the one of the most famous theatre in Dublin. Now we have Bal Gandharva is there, Tilak Smarak Mandir is there, Bharat Natya Mandir is there. In the same manner, Abbey Theatre, this is the name of the theatre which is in Dublin. Dublin is the capital city of Ireland. Students, see, she was a playwright of great technical skills. At the instance of her friend and sponsor William Butler Yeats. He is also known as W.B. Yeats. Student, right now I have already mentioned you that Lady Gregory, W.B. Yeats, and J.M. Synge, these are the originator or the Irish revival movement writer, dramatist. Student, here her friend W.B. Yeats only motivated her that yes, Lady Gregory, you can write dramas. You know, student, in our life also sometimes motivation is required. Our friend, family members, and so here this dramatist was motivated by her friend William Butler Yeats, who encouraged her to study the old history and folklore of Ireland. Student, writer should have knowledge, thorough knowledge of each and everything. You know, you must have heard about that. Before writer want to start any historical book, social book, political book, that writer has to study each and everything in detail. Maybe after reading 10 books, 20 books, spending 2-3 years there, then only after research only writer is able to compose a great invention or a new book. And so student, Lady Gregory spent few years for studying history, old history of Ireland, then folklore of Ireland. Lady Gregory has specially mastered the one-act play. Student, one-act play and full-length play. We have studied that this difference between full-act play and one-act play. That is, one-act play is the drama where there are only few characters, 4-5 characters, and one act play you could watch within only 45 or 60 minutes. But full length drama, now Shakespearean's drama, these are the full length play. Student, this drama Rising of the Moon, this is only one act play. If you go through the pages, drama, dialogues, you would understand that there are hardly 4 characters. See student, next. Lady Gregory has specially mastered one act play form of her 31 acts plays. Spreading the News and The Rising of the Moon are the best known. Student, Lady Gregory, who considered as the originator of Irish revival, and her famous one act plays such as Spreading the News and The Rising of the Moon are the best dramas. Student, you would be surprised, she had written 31 act plays. Look, before, now here being a 19th century dramatist, student, as you know that the world maximum countries were ruled by British people. Ireland was also under colony, it was a colony of British, and so she studied literature background, political background, and she wrote around 31 one act plays. Student, is there any doubt till here? Second stanza, I will explain again. The rise of the moon reveals both great charm and the skillful dramatic imagination and closely observed Irish character. As student, Rising of the Moon, this drama is concerned. This is one of the most famous drama written by Lady Gregory. As I already told you, Lady Gregory is the originator of Irish revival, and her style of writing drama using that technique, charm, that is subtle narrations used to explain here. And so student, being Irish narrator dramatist, Lady Gregory tried to explain all these characters in proper manner. The play's charm mainly resides on the sustaining passions of Irish nationalism. Irish nationalism, student, means we feel that we are Indian nationalism. In the same manner, student, here Irish movement, Irish nationalism, these students who are concerned, as Lady Gregory tried to explain, there are few freedom fighters, student, in Ireland also, like we have in India. We had those great freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves for our nation's freedom. And so in this novel also there are few character represents rebellion against British. The title, which is taken from ballad on Sean O'Farrell. Student, Sean O'Farrell, who is a famous poet, and he had already written a ballad, and the name of the ballad is The Rising of the Moon. The same title is taken by dramatist Lady Gregory for this drama. As why it is apt and suitable, we will discuss it afterwards, student, when we will finish this drama only. So this title, The Rising of the Moon, is taken from the ballad which is written by Sean O'Farrell. It is a symbol of Irish uprising against the British. Lady Gregory's careful study of Irish character, her skillful delineation of individual characters, and the perfect handling of this situation are responsible for this one act plays great charm and popularity. Why this drama Rising of the Moon became so famous? As being a Irish dramatist student, her character possess those qualities, Irish quality, rebellion quality, that skillful narration. And student, her skillful delineation means describing skill of each and every individual character should represent in a better manner. As when we read the drama, automatically these characters appear in front of us, they try to talk to us, and we get that complete feeling of observing that era. So student, this now drama The Rising of the Moon is about Irish movement, Irish rebellion against British Empire. As there are four characters, student, I am explaining once again. First character Sergeant, second character that is Policeman B, third character Policeman X, and fourth character is a ragged man. Ragged man means very dirty, poor person's character is presented there, student. Now first character that is Sergeant. Sergeant, Sergeant means the authority. This is the rank below sub-inspector, and when sergeant get promotion, he get the rank of sub-inspector. So student, sergeant is the main character in this drama, who try to find, he is in a search of something. Police always on a track, they want to arrest criminals, they want to search something as per the requirement, or whatever complaints are given to them as per their requirement only, they try to do their work. So sergeant had a company of two policemen, Policeman X and Policeman B. Policeman X and Policeman B, student, in this drama, they have been shown here. They are sticking some postcards. Usually most wanted characters, postcards, pamphlets are already, you see that they are stuck on the wall. And so these two policemen, they are in search of a criminal who had broken the jail, and they had their photograph, and now this pamphlet, postcard, they want to stick on the walls. And student, last character as a ragged man. Ragged man's character is shown as very poor character here, dirty character, but he is trying to become very crazy, but actually that is not the reality, student. Right now I am not going to explain, I am not going to reveal all the features and the qualities of that character, student. In the ending only you will come to know that why that man behave in this manner. So student, here Sergeant, Policeman X and Policeman B. Have you understood these four characters, student? Any doubt concern to character now?